Hi, Rodney from Sutherland Shire Apps here, and today I'm at Southern Cross Jiu-Jitsu Academy and I want to give you a quick overview of something that we've been able to build within about 4 hours time. Okay, so normally when we've come into the classes before into this school, you had to sign in the sign-in sheet here, and here's tomorrow's ready to go. The problem with this is that if someone's fees you or there's an alert on the account, the instructor or the manager's got to come back later, go through the sign-in sheet, enter it in the computer, and then go and tell the member of what the alert is. From this week, now when the members come in, there's a simple check-in app here on a nice little simple tablet the members can now use. When they come in, we've got a class registration. This will be sitting here ready for them. They just search their name, say what class they're going to do, and press the button, and in they go. If their payments are due or if there's an alert ready, it'll let them know straight away. For your business, if you don't have one of these apps, I'm willing to do this for free. Okay, contact me now, leave a message below, and myself or Lisa will get back to you and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks for your time.